Yo, it's your girl Betty, and I'm back with another banger. And today we're gonna go outside because we had like a little snowstorm or whatever. We're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show y'all show y'all how much it snowed because I had to leave school early today and everything. Like I got ready. I was late for school because I didn't know if I wanted to go to school or not. So when I went to school, it started pouring down snow when I got off the exit to my school. Stayed there for a good 3 or 4 hours. Not even 4 hours. Not even 3 hours. Maybe 2 hours. And came back home because it was getting real bad. It was getting real bad outside. So we're gonna go outside, show y'all snow or whatever. And then we're gonna come back in and I'm gonna do like a face routine. I don't really have a routine, but I'm gonna wing it because I have stuff for my face that I should start using, but I don't even use it. So I'm gonna see you outside. You wanna go outside with me and with you? Come with me. Y'all, it is still snowing. Look at this. My foot disappeared. That's how much it snowed. Just look how pretty the trees are though. It's just snowing away. Look how pretty this tree is with the snow on it. We out here. But we out here. We in there. Y'all, get into it. Get into it. But it's cold out here. So I'm gonna see y'all inside. Ooh, cold. Yeah, let's go back inside. It's cold. My hands are cold. See, my idea was to film this and talk about like a story time, but I can't really think of a story time. So we're just gonna do a self-care type of day. Take care of my skin. Let's get into it. Get into it, Miss Ma'am. Where's my Cormex? Do I not have my Cormex? Okay, I'm back. Back and better, as bad as ever. Let me get my products together. Today, I'm gonna be using this. It's a extra gentle daily scrub. This is just what I put on my face sometimes, if I ever remember to. And then we're gonna do a face mask. And then we're just gonna talk about life. We're just gonna talk, have a conversation. Tell me y'all's opinions in the comments if you get this far in the video. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share it to your friends. And turn on your post notifications. Let's get into it. Let's exfoliate first. Let's exfoliate. This smells really good. It's called Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. It's like an exfoliator. Get your glow on and scrub. Sea salt brightens the lime. This, I got it from Lush. Y'all should really shop on there. It's like my favorite store. It's like a skin type of, like where you get skin products. Like y'all should definitely shop on Lush. They have them at the mall if you have any close by, or you can just shop online. But let's get into it. I got a mirror here so I can see. I don't normally put this all over my skin. Just in the spots that need to be exfoliated. This is what we're gonna do, because I'm not gonna have all over my face. Only the spots that's needed. So I'm gonna go get a towel. BRB. Maybe. Actually, we're just gonna use this towel that I dyed my hair with. We're just gonna let this sit for a good 10 minutes or so. And then we're gonna do a face mask. I'll probably do this all out of order, but I don't really got a routine, so. But make sure you get this off of the Lush website. I'm gonna link the site in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Check them out. They're pretty good. I've got a couple bars of soap. They got bath bomb soap, jelly soap, face masks, exfoliators. They got a little bit of everything for real. But I'm gonna see y'all when I let this sit for about 10 minutes or so. 5 minutes, something like that. But I'm gonna see y'all in just a little while. See y'all in the next clip. It's been about 10 minutes, so we're gonna take this off. Let's take this off real quick. Get you a hot warm towel. And we're just gonna take it off. Easy and gentle. Don't scrub too hard. Just take it off. Gentle. And then we're gonna put the face mask on my face, and then we're just gonna talk. Okay? Get into it. Yes, ma'am. Let's get into it. Oh shoot. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna put this daily scrubs on my face for all skin types. You don't need that much, but then again, you do. Whoa, that's too much. That's probably too much. But make sure you get all areas of your face. Just don't get it in your eye. And you can get this at Walmart, probably the dollar store. As I say, don't get it in your eye. Get it like near my eye. Just don't get it too far up in your eyes. Like, I don't even know if this is enough. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more on my face. Some areas I didn't get more than the other areas. You want to take care of your skin. Your hygiene is the most important part about your body. So y'all just make sure y'all moisturize every day. Take care of your skin, because your skin, you want your skin to look pretty, you know? So I'm gonna let this set for like a minute or so. But yeah, your skin, your teeth, your smile, your just everything about your body should be the most important thing about you. You should care about your skin. do your self routines, your nightly routines. Just take care of your skin, you know? And then I'm gonna wipe this off. I didn't even let it sit on there for long, cause I don't really do stuff like this, but I do take care of my skin as much as I can. And then here soon, when the snow goes away and the roads clear up, I'm gonna do a hygiene video. A Dollar General hygiene video. Or I might do a Family Dollar hygiene video. And I'm gonna do more of hygiene videos, more self-care videos, more girl talk videos. If you want me to do girl talk videos, just let me know and I will. This is supposed to sit on my face for 5 minutes and it's dripping. But yeah, this is supposed to sit on my face for 5 minutes. It's like a calming mask. One of my friends gave it to me for Christmas. So we're just gonna put this on my face. Just not in my eyes. Oh, can't breathe. But this is supposed to sit on here for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna let it set. And y'all just let me know if I should do a girl talk video and more hygiene videos. This is a calming sheet mask with roses, balance your face pH balance, softens up your soft, hygienes your skin. It looks like this is Burt's Bees. Y'all can probably get it at Walmart. I don't know where she got it from, because I got it. She gave it to me for Christmas. But yeah, get into it. These are the products that I used in today's video. I used these 3 products. But y'all can probably get this at Walmart for like $9 or something. This, I'm gonna link this down below. I'm gonna link the site. You'll just have to find that kind. I don't know, but this is starting to burn, so I probably won't even leave this on for 5 minutes. Probably 3 minutes I'll leave this on. I don't really like doing these type of face masks, but since I got it for Christmas, I'm gonna use it. And I don't know if it's starting to burn from where I did my makeup the other day and I was scrubbing my face right here from the eyeliner or what. But y'all let me know if y'all want to hear girl talk videos, if y'all want to hear hygiene videos, self-care videos, and like period hacks, life things that I've learned about being like going through my periods, periods that like stuff y'all didn't know about periods. This is more for girls, but like if y'all want to know, just like let me know and I will make a video and talk about it and give you all the products that I use, my favorite products, my least favorite products, and all this and that. But I would definitely let y'all know, because like every girl needs to know about periods and the upcoming preteens, you know. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video. But that's gonna conclude today's video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and turn on your post notification bell. Can't talk with this math thing on me. But I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.